Hey, it's Anissa, and today I've got for you the Splatter Guard. Now, you've probably seen something similar on TV called the hover cover. Well, I'm happy to say that this is exactly the same at a much better price. And why we love this is it's an upgrade to your microwave. It's got these microwave safe magnets that allow you to place this at the top of your microwave so it's always there, and when you go to either cook something or reheat it, you just pull it down. It covers your food, and while it's microwaving, it does two things. First, you get even cooking because of the vents, no more soggy food. And one of the worst things that can happen is splatters all over your microwave. This is gonna stop that from happening. It keeps it nice and clean. And you can just clean this off easily by wiping it off or throwing it in your top rack of your dishwasher. Now let's get to our great price. It's a fraction of what you would pay on TV or in stores. Plus, when you buy more, you save more. So buy one for yourself and buy one for a friend at pulsetv.com.